Yeah, I remember seeing Boomer with wet pants. He was wet all weekend, so yeah.
Ben for Smoking Hot Confessions here. We're all wrapped up on day 2 at Meat Meet in Horsham. Right now I've got Shane and Chloe from Forrest Lump BBQ Co. These are the people that put together the stunning photos that you've seen on Facebook of the red ball on the spoon. We're going to find out what was inside that in just a minute. And also the fantastic 1980s disco burger that we saw there. Folks, where do you come up with those ideas?
Basically, I start with a base recipe and then change things up to try and suit canapé hors d'oeuvre style setting, so yeah.
Well, let's kick things off then. I don't even know what to call it, the red ball on the spoon. Tell me what it's called properly first.
It's a Jaffa Mousse Dome.
A Jaffa Mousse Dome.
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
So it's got mousse and it's got a contro cake base as well.
Wow.
Red mirror glaze, which is a white chocolate mirror glaze, dyed red. There was the gold leaf on top and edible gold glitter as well.
God, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And so, are you like chef backgrounds? Or?
No, not at all. It just all comes out of the head.
Wow, that's phenomenal. And then of course the 1980s disco burger, the gold top and the silver pickle.
Yeah. I was just laying in bed one morning and I thought, what can we do that's different? Because we just finished at the Q Club where we came away with 3 first places in the SCA, but we wanted to change it up and not use flowers and that sort of thing. So,
but what else can make it stand out?
Yeah, I was just laying in bed and thought, we'll just bling. So, what else stands out more than bling?
I thought maybe you'd watched like Austin Powers Goldmember, you know, I love gold.
That's it, yeah.
So you absolutely cleaned house at the Q Club SCA.
Yeah, we did. We clean sweeped all the ancillaries there. So yeah, we tried to back it up here, and didn't quite go to plan. Two fourths.
An
equal fifth. Count back to 6th. So.
And one that we just don't mention.
Yeah.
well, they're obviously the people's choice because they're the most responded to photographs that I posted.
That's good to know. It's good to know.
That I posted last night. So
that's good.
And how about your steak? How'd you go with your? Oh, or was that the one we're not talking about?
No. We actually did
4th in steak, so not too bad. That's our best finishing steak so far. Our last 3 steaks have been 11th, 6th, and 4th. So we're slowly moving up there, slowly in the right direction. So.
And what do you use to cook that steak on?
Grill grates on the Weber.
Grill grates on a just a regular Weber kettle?
Yeah, with a kettle cone in there.
Of course, yeah. And of course
obviously
you use the heat beads briquettes for the fuel.
Yeah, always heat beads, the only fuel, the best.
Fantastic. So what does the rest of the year look like for you now?
So we've got Fireside, the Turf Wars in Cranbourne,
yeah.
And Cryle Castle in Ballarat, which is a hometown comp for us. So
now, when you say Fireside, do you mean Fat Drip?
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, Fat Drip. Yeah. Get confused with all the Adelaide ones.
So, are you based in Adelaide or
we're
Melbourne?
Ballarat.
No, we're Ballarat.
Oh, Ballarat. Sorry,
Yeah, so we go to New South Wales, Adelaide, Victoria comps. Haven't done any Queensland yet, but we will look to get there.
We'll get you up there, don't worry.
Beautiful.
You'll come fall in love with the weather and just never leave.
Yeah.
Very true. Much nicer than it has been this weekend.
Yeah.
Well, look at me. I'm in a beanie and a hoodie and like people are running around in shorts and t-shirts.
But compared to last year, this is quite good for Meat Meet.
That's what I've heard. I've heard last year was a bit of a wild weekend.
We didn't compete, but we did go to have a look as I think the only spectators that went, and it was an eye-opener.
I did hear some of the teams were actually having to paddle their hand-ins in little emergency rafts to...
I remember seeing Boomer with wet pants. He was wet all weekend, so yeah.
Well, listen, guys, thanks for your time. I realise that you're trying to pack up to go, so I do appreciate you taking time out to talk to me. Best of luck at awards shortly.
Too easy.
You.
Thanks.